So we are fishing before a hurricane. We got, what, 12 hours till landfall? Hurricane Florence is coming in.
Coast about to get hammered.
Coast about to get destroyed, yeah. Charlotte's not as bad. We're only getting like 8 inches of rain. It's no big deal. But yeah, I'm out here. We got Marshall. You know Marshall. He's the one that catches all the fish in my videos.
No.
And we got Ashton.
I'm the one that catches all the fish off the videos.
Yeah, she catches all the fish off the videos, but she's gonna be on video today showing us what she can do, because she generally outfishes Marshall, so usually makes for a good time.
It's not hard to do.
Yeah, it really isn't. We're gonna see what this hurricane bass fishing can produce. The water level is insanely low. Like, it's down a lot. They haven't dropped because they're expecting 8 inches of rain, so we'll see what happens.
Oh.
We wouldn't have counted. I feel like if there's gonna be a big one in here, it's gonna be cruising. Cruising for a bruising. Oh!
No way.
Good one?
Yeah. Oh my God!
Here, where are you bringing it? This side?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Bring it to the edge of the boat.
Holy shit!
Yeah. Fuck this giant.
Yeah, baby. We both did the same thing. Woo!
He chomped it.
Remember what I just said? Like literally 3 seconds ago. I'm like, if there's gonna be a big one, it's gonna be cruising up shallow.
Holy shit.
What a mondo.
You wanna weigh him?
Oh my God, dude, we were shallow as shit.
He was in like 5 inches of water. Okay.
OMG.
Got him?
Yeah, baby, put on a moving bait.
I don't know what that is.
This.
Okay.
Alright, hold on, you can't look at it.
No. Damn.
It
I
is
say,
or no?
I didn't think it was. No, I missed him. Oh, he came back. No, he missed it again. Are you kidding me? No shit. Oh, that's not the one. He was bigger than that.
That is not one that... Damn!
Dude, they
Oh shit. Dude, look at his tail. Bizz. Wait, what bait's your favorite? Bizz Baits. Nah, he's got a fish. That'll be a cool camera shot. You almost chopping my head off with a fishing rod. Yo. I caught the gunner. There we go. Oh my God.
Big one?
Dude, I can't believe that thing just hit that.
Here, hold this.
I got it.
Oh, is it not that big?
I mean, it's a big one, but it ain't like earlier.
Large amount.
Holy crap, dude. I can't believe he just smoked that. I hope that's on camera, because that was insane.
Now it's my turn. I want one.
Look at that large mouth. That's beautiful. There we go. Yeah, shout out to Mr. Tackle Box for that great catch. That was on that Mr. Tackle Box.
Half-pound spot.
Mr. Tackle Box square bill. Probably that first fish, the big one, came off of a white buzzbait or horny toad.